Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your web browser and logging in to your Shopify account. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it to access your store's configuration options. Inside Settings, select Domains. This section allows you to manage all domain connections associated with your Shopify store. Click on Connect Existing Domain, then enter the domain name you purchased from Hostinger. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will display the DNS records you need to configure, including the A record and CNAME record values. Now, open a new tab and log in to your Hostinger account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Domain section and select the domain you want to connect. Click on Manage, then proceed to DNS Zone or DNS Records. Here, you'll update your DNS settings. First, locate the A record and point it to Shopify's IP address as instructed. Then, edit or add the CNAME record so that the www host points to Shopify's target address. Make sure there are no conflicting records that could prevent proper connection. After saving your changes, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Once verified, your Hostinger domain will be successfully connected to your Shopify store, making your online business fully accessible through your custom domain.